Let's take a look at this case video where the white car in the middle can't back out at all because the car behind is parked too close and at a smaller angle. So we roughly simulated the situation on site. First, let's see what happens if we want the rear of the car to come out first. You can't just turn the steering wheel fully left and reverse directly because you're too close to the car behind, right? The rear can't avoid it. But if you move forward as much as possible and then turn the steering wheel, the front of the car will be too close to the wall. You can't turn the steering wheel much, and if you turn it a little, your rear still can't avoid the car behind, right? You'll still be blocked by the car behind. So we change the strategy. If the front comes out first and the width between the front and rear cars is not enough for the car width, you still can't get the front out first. So this seemingly easy scenario actually makes it impossible for our car to back out. But in this kind of scenario, it's not difficult to back the car out. We can simply use steering techniques to achieve it. For example, as shown now, we first move the car forward as much as possible, then turn the steering wheel fully left and reverse, but don't reverse all the way, keep some space for revering. Then turn the steering wheel fully right and reverse, and when moving forward do the same. First turn fully left and move forward. Then no matter how much you move forward, turn the steering wheel fully right and move forward. Repeat this process in halves, fully left and reverse, fully right and reverse, fully left and move forward, fully right and move forward. You don't need to worry about how much you moved forward or backward, right? Just repeat this operation a few times and you'll find that we've shifted the position of the rear of the car, and when revering with the steering wheel fully left, you can avoid the car behind, allowing the rear of your car to clear. Then straighten the steering wheel and drive straight to complete the backing out in this situation.